We'll guide you through how to make paper cut effect in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, right-clicking the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop or taskbar. From the menu that appears, click Open to launch the browser. Once the browser opens, click on the address bar at the top of the window and type Photopea. Press Enter on your keyboard to search for the website. On the search results page, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to access the editor. After the website finishes loading, the Photopea homepage will appear on your screen. Click Open from Computer to choose the image you want to edit. Browse through your folders until you locate the photo you prepared earlier. Click the photo once, then open it in Photopea. When the editing workspace finishes loading, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard to fit the entire canvas neatly within your screen. Next, duplicate the photo by pressing Ctrl+J twice, creating 2 additional copies of the original layer. Hide both the top and bottom layers by clicking their visibility icons, then select the middle layer. From the toolbar, choose the polygonal lasso tool. Carefully create a paper cut style selection around the main subject of your photo by clicking around its edges. Once the selection is complete, add a vector mask to the selected layer. Next, create a solid white color adjustment layer to produce the paper background effect. Right-click the adjustment layer and choose Clipping Mask so the white color only affects the masked area. Now unhide the top layer and press W on your keyboard to activate the selection tools. Use the Select Subject feature to automatically detect the main subject. After the selection is created, add another vector mask to that layer. Finally, right-click Layer 1, select Blending Options, and enable the Drop Shadow effect to add realistic depth and make the paper cut appearance look more natural. By following these steps in order, you have successfully learned how to create a paper cut effect in Photopea.